Hello guys, welcome to another new video. I hope you all are well and taking care of yourself. Today we have got a very good opportunity in US dollar versus Swiss franc from which we can generate good profit. You are going to enjoy this video a lot, so watch it till the end. I am applying the trade according to my risk. I had calculated this risk before taking the trade. See you guys later. Guys, as soon as we took the trade here, we started making profit, which is currently running around $1,000. I hope we can see a good profit in this trade. Now let me explain to you why we have placed a sell trade. The market was in an uptrend before our trade but is now moving downwards, creating lower lows and lower highs, due to which we got good trade on the selling side. Now we will create a trend channel. The market is currently following this trend line, which will give us lower high points. We will connect all these points properly with the trend line. These points are also working as resistance. We will connect the second trend line with same angle at lower low points, which will act as support for this trend line. We will connect these trend lines properly to get a perfect uptrend pattern. The market has been following this downtrend channel for a long time. We will easily see the downtrend pattern in this channel. The market here took the trend line resistance some time back and is now moving downwards very fast. Here our entry has happened at the right place and right time. Now we draw a strong level. At this level the market has created multiple support resistance points as the market has reversed repeatedly at the same level. All the points here are important for us. The market first created support points at this level and later broke this level to create resistance point, due to which a support become resistance pattern has been created here, which is a strong pattern of downtrend. Whenever a pattern like this is created, the chances of the market going down increase significantly. We can generate very good profit from this pattern because this pattern gives profit 70 to 80 times out of 100. I have made a playlist of this pattern which you will see at the end of the video. Now I will place stop loss and target point. My stop loss will be 9 pip above the strong reversal level and inside the trend channel. There is very little chance of the market hitting our stop loss because there is a strong reversal level in between, and the target point will be 18 pip down where the market can make a new lower low. Our risk to reward ratio here is 1 to 2. Guys, most of our targets have been achieved and currently our profit is around $6,000. To see such profit we have to be very patient, only then we are able to generate this type of profit. Guys, all our analysis and trade work has been completed. Now the further work of the market begins. Now I want to tell you about such a platform through which you can earn money daily from your phone. This is the platform CWins. Here you can play many games for free and earn money. These are all very easy games that anyone can play. All these games are new and entertaining, so you are going to have a lot of fun. As soon as you go to the live section, you will get to see many events of sports games. All sports games are available here, like cricket, football, tennis, eFootball, basketball, etc. If you want to play tournaments in sports, then visit this place where you will get all the information about the tournament. The slots category also has games divided into different categories such as top slots, new, captain's picks, fishing, hunting, classic slots, etc. You can see all the games of these categories here. Guys, you must have seen advertisement of this game in many platforms. It is a very famous game. With this you can multiply your money. Here you can increase or decrease the amount according to your risk. You can also play this game on your phone. You can download their CWins app from here. CWins deposit and withdrawal payment process is absolutely smooth. You can make withdrawals in CWins using any method like CWins Pay, Skrill, Neteller, IMPS, Jeton, Crypto, Bitcoin, Tether, etc. All these methods are working. If you use my coupon code, then you can get more benefits. I have given the link of CWins in the description box and comment section. Now we come back to our video and tell you the result of this trade, which we have been waiting for a long time. If you like the video, then please like it. We will meet guys after some time. Till then, enjoy the video.
I'm here to make it to the top. I'll take a shot. I'll overpower any boss, cause I am not
Let's
someone
go.
that you would wanna cross.
I move quietly, like a shadow, there's a dark side to me. I work privately to go build and create my own dynasty. A new rivalry, it emerges ever so silently. But I got fight in me, so I'll squash anything that's trying me. I'm like, me versus you, I hope that you know what you're getting into.
Always greatest of all time Forex trading. Guys, the market is moving downwards very fast. If our entry was even a little late, then we would have missed this move. but we waited long enough for this setup and hence we entered the trade at the right place. Your entry should always be perfect. Only then will you be able to follow risk management and good psychology properly. This was our high probability setup which gave us great benefit. Now we will draw the next level. The market has been following this level for a long time. Whenever the market has come close to this level, it has always reversed. This is a very old strong reversal level which you can easily see here. Whenever the market comes near this level in future, we will see a reversal. This level is very important for us. That is why we have seen such a big breakout of this level here. From here the market can go down further because sellers are very active. Our goal has been achieved here. Now we close the trade. Guys, we are making very good profit here, which is around $14,000. We had $4,895 in this account, which has now become $20,442 after profit. In this trade we did our work well, due to which we got good results. Always work on the same strategy, only then you will be profitable. If you have learned something from this video, then please like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.